Did you know the amazing benefits of eating raw onions every day? It's a question that might leave you scratching your head. After all, onions are usually relegated to the background, a mere supporting character in our culinary narratives. But what if I told you that this humble, tear-inducing vegetable could be a superstar on your plate, offering a plethora of health benefits? It's a revelation that might just change your perspective on this common kitchen ingredient. Stay tuned to discover the surprising benefits of this common kitchen ingredient. Have you ever thought about the humble onion as a powerhouse of health benefits? This teary-eyed vegetable is much more than a kitchen staple. It's a superfood packed with nutrients and a treasure trove of health benefits. Raw onions in particular are an excellent source of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, all of which play a crucial role in maintaining our health. Raw onions are a rich source of vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that helps protect the body against free radicals. These are unstable molecules that can damage cells and contribute to aging and diseases. Vitamin C also aids in the production of collagen, a protein that keeps our skin, bones, and tissues healthy. In addition to vitamin C, raw onions are packed with other essential nutrients including vitamin B6 and folate. These vitamins are vital for brain health and the production of red blood cells. They also contain a decent amount of potassium, which is essential for heart health and proper cellular function. But what really sets raw onions apart are their unique plant compounds. One of these is quercetin, a flavonoid with powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Research suggests that quercetin may help reduce blood pressure and lower heart disease risk. But perhaps the most remarkable attribute of raw onions is their sulfur compounds. These compounds have been linked to a host of health benefits from heart health to cancer prevention. They are also responsible for the pungent aroma and flavor that make onions a favorite in many cuisines worldwide. However, it's important to note that many of these nutrients and compounds are sensitive to heat and cooking. Therefore, to maximize the health benefits of onions, it's best to consume them raw. Despite their tear-inducing reputation, raw onions are worth the weep. They are a simple and affordable way to boost your nutrient intake and promote overall health. So why not give them a chance? Let's delve into the reasons why you should consider incorporating raw onions into your daily diet. Firstly, raw onions are known to boost your immune system. It's not just an old wives' tale, it's backed by science. Onions are packed with compounds that are beneficial to our immunity. One of these is quercetin, a powerful antioxidant that protects against free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause damage to our cells, leading to a host of health issues. Onions also contain allicin, a compound that has been found to stimulate the production of white blood cells in our body. These cells are the soldiers of our immune system, fighting off invaders like bacteria and viruses. In addition, onions are a rich source of vitamin C, a vital nutrient known to enhance the immune function. On top of that, the sulfur compounds in onions give them their distinct smell and taste, but they also contribute to our immune health by promoting detoxification. So if you're looking to strengthen your body's defenses, raw onions could be the answer. Another significant benefit of raw onions is that they aid in digestion. You might be wondering how. Well, onions are packed with dietary fiber, a vital component that your digestive system needs to function optimally. This dietary fiber acts as a natural laxative, helping to move food through your digestive tract more smoothly and promoting regular bowel movements. But that's not all. Onions also contain a compound known as prebiotics. Prebiotics are types of dietary fiber that feed the friendly bacteria in your gut. This helps improve the overall health of your gut flora, which plays a critical role in digestion and nutrient absorption. Moreover, the sulfur compounds in onions have been found to protect the stomach and intestines from ulcers, further promoting good digestive health. So the next time you're preparing a meal, don't forget to add some raw onions. They not only enhance the flavor of your dish, but they also work wonders for your digestion. Feeling bloated or constipated? A raw onion might just do the trick. Did you know that raw onions can also benefit your skin and hair? Yes, these pungent roots are more than just a kitchen staple. They're packed with potent antioxidants like quercetin and sulfur compounds which can work wonders for your skin and hair. Consider this, the antioxidants in onions fight against the harmful free radicals in our body. These free radicals are the culprits behind premature aging, causing wrinkles and fine lines. By neutralizing these free radicals, onions help in maintaining youthful, glowing skin. Furthermore, when it comes to hair, the sulfur compounds in onions stimulate the production of essential proteins for hair growth. They assist in strengthening hair follicles and preventing hair loss. So if you're dealing with dull skin or hair fall, don't rush to the beauty store just yet. Try incorporating raw onions into your diet first. You might be pleasantly surprised by the results. Who knew that the secret to radiant skin and luscious hair could be sitting in your kitchen right now? But wait, there's more. Raw onions also contribute to heart health, bone health, blood sugar control, and even have anti-cancer properties. Let's start with heart health. Onions are a rich source of flavonoids, particularly a powerful antioxidant known as quercetin. This compound helps to prevent the formation of clots that can lead to heart disease. It also helps to lower blood pressure and reduce LDL cholesterol, the so-called bad cholesterol that can build up in your arteries. Meanwhile, the sulfur compounds in onions work to prevent platelet aggregation, which is another fancy way of saying they help to prevent blood clots. So, by including raw onions in your diet, you're taking a proactive step towards maintaining a strong and healthy heart. Moving on, let's talk about bone health. It might surprise you to know that onions are a fantastic source of calcium, which we all know is essential for strong, healthy bones. But beyond that, onions also contain a compound known as GPCS. This has been shown to inhibit the activity of osteoclasts, the cells that break down bone tissue. This means that eating onions can help to prevent the loss of bone mass, which is particularly important as we age and our bones naturally become more fragile. So, if you want to stay strong and sturdy on your feet, don't underestimate the power of the humble onion. Next up is blood sugar control. Onions contain a compound known as allyl propyl disulfide. This compound has been shown to lower blood glucose levels by increasing the amount of free insulin available. Insulin is the hormone that helps to regulate our blood sugar levels, so this is a significant benefit for anyone who is looking to manage their blood sugar, whether they are pre-diabetic, diabetic, or simply want to maintain healthy blood sugar levels. Finally, let's explore the anti-cancer properties of onions. Onions are one of the best sources of organosulfur compounds, which have been extensively studied for their potential anti-cancer effects. These compounds work by neutralizing harmful free radicals and reducing inflammation, both of which play a role in the development of cancer. Specifically, research has suggested that a regular intake of onions may reduce the risk of several types of cancer, including stomach and colorectal cancers. While onions are not a cure-all, they certainly form part of a proactive approach to maintaining your health and reducing your risk of disease. In essence, the humble onion, often relegated to the status of a mere flavor enhancer, is in fact a powerful ally in our quest for better health. From our hearts to our bones, our blood sugar to our cancer risk, this unassuming vegetable offers a host of benefits that can contribute to a longer, healthier life. It's clear that the humble onion is a true superhero in the world of health. It's truly astonishing how much a single raw onion can do for your health, isn't it? Let's recap the amazing benefits we've explored today. First up, the humble onion's ability to boost your immunity, keeping you strong and resistant to various diseases. We then discussed how it aids in digestion, making sure your gut health is in top shape. We also touched on its surprising benefits for your skin and hair, giving you that natural glow and strength. But the list didn't end there. We delved into how it supports heart health, contributes to bone density, helps control blood sugar levels, and even has anti-cancer properties. All of these benefits packed into a single, everyday vegetable. It's clear to see why incorporating raw onions into your daily diet is a smart move. So next time you're in the kitchen, don't overlook the onions. Your body will thank you.